All electrical connections and wiring must be made by a certified electrician and must follow guidelines specified in local and national electrical codes. Instructions on how to make the electrical connections are included in the installation instructions. The following points must be observed when making the electrical connections for the Nuheat Floor Heating System. Nuheat requires a dedicated circuit. Nuheat must be connected to the electrical service through a Class A ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. All Nuheat thermostats come equipped with a built-in Class A GFCI. The maximum load of a single Nuheat thermostat is 15 amps. Loads exceeding 15 amps will require use of relays and additional GFCI protection.